Week 2 of Rye Month. So today is Knob Creek Single Barrel Select. It is a store pick from none other than Calandro's, one of my go-to stores. We're going to try it out. Here we go. Hey guys, welcome to the Bourbon College YouTube channel. I'm Austin, and today we're enjoying rye without breaking the bank. Again, like I said, Knob Creek Single Barrel Select from Calandro's. It is 115 proof. It is 57.5% alcohol by volume. See if we have any information on it. How old it is, I'm not sure. But I bought this on a suggestion because it says it's the best $35 whiskey they've ever had. Not rye, but whiskey. So I had to try it out. Here we go. Alright, see, it's dark. It's not too. It's pretty dark, so it's got some age on it, I think. Interesting. Very bourbon. It's like a high rye bourbon on the nose to me. I wish I knew the mash bill to this. Very good. Very good on the nose. Get a lot of caramel vanilla notes on it. Look, y'all, I'm excited to try this. I've been waiting. I've tried it a couple times, but I've been waiting to review it for Rye Month because I knew I wanted to do something special with ryes, and here we go. Spoiler alert, it's a keep, get it, go, done. No, but for real, it's almost a bourbon to me. It's almost a really good bourbon, like a really good Knob Creek bourbon store pick with a little bit more spice and a little less nuttiness. But holy crap, y'all, for a rye, this is amazing. I'm more of a bourbon guy. Dang. Okay. Yes. It's slowly creeping. It's most definitely the best $35 rye you can get. Best $35 whiskey? I don't know, but it's pretty darn good. It's just like a Knob Creek bourbon to me, with a little bit of extra rye spice. Because usually the Knob Creek Barrel Select bourbons are they're a lot nuttier and a little more tame on the spice. This one kicks up the spice at 115 proof, so 57.5. It drinks like a 50%, drinks maybe like a 45%. Super smooth. Holy crap. You kind of get, it's a long-lasting finish that comes from the proof, I think. It's like I'm breathing fire. But going down, it's easy. You get the Kentucky hug at the bottom, but it's real easy going down. Yo, that's good. Yeah, that's a keep. I don't know what else to say about it. This is awesome. This is great. Check it out. Get a barrel pick if you can, but try the rye. It's delicious. I highly recommend it. That's it, y'all. Happy Rye Month, and I'll see you next week. Cheers.
If you want more Bourbon in College, follow us on Instagram at bourbon_in_college and like our Facebook page. Subscribe to us on YouTube and your favorite podcast player. Find all these links and more at bourbonincollege.com. Thanks, everyone.